Shigellosis is an intestinal infection caused by the bacteria belonging to Shigella family. Shigellosis is also known by other names, like Shigella gastroenteritis, bacillary dysentery, and Shigella enteritis. The most commonly observed symptoms include fever, bloody diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, abdominal pain, and severe cramps. The bacteria may transfer through direct contact with the infected individual, but mostly through the eating of contaminated food or drinking contaminated water. The symptoms develop around 3 days after the ingestion and last for up to a week. If unchecked, the condition may progress and become life-threatening. People with compromised or weak immunity, especially the younger and older age groups, are more prone to the infection. Shigellosis is medically treated through antibiotics such as amoxicillin, tetracycline, and ampicillin. However, antibiotic resistance of the Shigella bacteria has been recently reported as an emerging problem. Moreover, the use of antibiotics also leads to weaker immunity. In today's video, we will discuss about 8 natural home remedies for shigellosis. 1. Consuming bananas. Bananas are rich in the potassium content that helps strengthen the immune system, allowing faster recovery from shigellosis. Moreover, bananas are also a good source of electrolytes that are essential for treating diarrhea and resulting dehydration. The recommended number of bananas is 2 to 3 for consumption on an empty stomach in the morning. Regular consumption leads to restriction in the recurring diarrhea bouts. You may also consume bananas combined with a little amount of yogurt, around 3 tablespoons for 2 bananas. 2. Consuming peppermint leaves. Peppermint is one of the best solutions to naturally treat shigellosis at home. It is antiseptic and anti-inflammatory in nature, helping to soothe the internal inflammation and curing the upset stomach. You may simply chew a few peppermint leaves on an empty stomach every morning. There is also a second option to this remedy, allowing you to consume the peppermint as peppermint tea. This tea has been shown extremely effective to recover the shigellosis condition as it possesses remarkable healing properties. To make the peppermint tea, add a teaspoon of peppermint powder to a boiling cup of water, steeping for 8 minutes and straining into a cup. Drink the tea warm and on a regular basis for faster recovery. 3. Drinking the ginger tea. Ginger has several benefits for the improvement of gut health. It specifically allows soothing of the inflammation and cures the upset stomach. You may consume the ginger by chewing it raw or as the ginger tea by adding a small piece of ginger to a boiling cup of water, steeping for 10 minutes and straining into a cup. Drink warm and consume twice a day, morning and evening, on a regular basis. You may also add a spoon of honey to the ginger tea as per your taste preference. 4. Drinking coconut water. Coconut water is a rich source of nutrients and electrolytes that helps to improve gut health. It also helps combat dehydration caused by diarrhea. In order to apply this remedy for shigellosis treatment, simply drink half a glass of coconut water on an empty stomach in the morning on a regular basis. You may also eat the raw coconut as it provides the necessary nutrients to the body, improving digestion. 5. Consuming yogurt combined with black seed oil. Black seed oil possesses several health benefits, especially used in the natural treatment of constipation, gas, colic, and asthma. Black seed oil combined with yogurt, providing the essential probiotics, offers one of the best treatments for shigellosis. In order to apply this natural remedy, simply combine a teaspoon of black seed oil to a cup of yogurt, mix and consume twice a day on a regular basis. 6. Drinking chamomile tea. Chamomile tea possesses the antispasmodic properties, relieving stomach discomfort and cramps. It also helps to relieve intestinal inflammation. In order to make the tea, add a teaspoon of chamomile flowers to a cup of boiling water, steeping for 10 minutes and straining into a cup. Drink warm for twice a day on a regular basis. 7. Consuming carrot soup. Carrot provides the antidyspeptic effect, healing the upset stomach faster. Carrot soup is one of the most preferred natural remedy for shigellosis as it relieves intestinal disorders associated with diarrhea and is a tasty alternative to other treatments. In order to make the carrot soup, cook around 500 grams of finely chopped carrots into a quarter cup of boiling water, adding salt for taste, straining the water after 20 minutes, and adding more as required for the perfect consistency. Consume the soup fresh, avoiding any sauces. 8. Consuming fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds possess a high mucilage content, which makes it perfect for shigellosis treatment. The edible, thick, and gluey mucilage helps to improve the digestion, offering the remarkable anti-diarrheal properties. You simply need to chew the fenugreek seeds or combine them with a tablespoon of yogurt as per taste preferences. Consume thrice a day on a regular basis for faster recovery.